Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: designer installed, proper site permissions, and a recent backup. Connect immediately using the site URL and your credentials so you can work live. Once connected, open the site settings and enable required features like WebDAV or Open with Explorer for file access. Make sure to export the list or site as a template and save one copy off server to prevent accidental loss. These first actions let you make safe changes and recover quickly if something goes wrong. Now you dive into the core customization. Edit list forms, pages, and workflows. You open lists and libraries, choose the form you need, and modify controls or add web parts so the UI matches your process. For workflows, decide whether to use 2010 or 2013 engine, set clear triggers, actions, and error handling. Test each branch. When changing master pages or CSS, use a staging site to validate responsive behavior and accessibility. Once done, run a functional test to confirm end-to-end behavior. Finish by publishing your changes and performing thorough tests across browsers and devices so you catch UI and script differences early. If a workflow fails or a page breaks, check workflow history, browser developer tools, and ULS logs for specific errors. These tell you exactly why something failed. Make targeted fixes, republish, and retest. If recovery is needed, revert the changed files from version history or restore the exported backup. One key tip: enable verbose logging temporarily to capture more context when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.